Hey people, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and this is the cinematic on-foot look at the Nike Air Safari Quick Strike from 2018. Shall we go look? Welcome back, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and if you're new to this channel and you've not been here before, we tend to do sneaker unboxings or the cinematic on-foot look thing that you just watched maybe, and of course on Sundays, well not of course, but and on Sundays, we also, don't we Camera 2, we do Sneaker Streaming Sundays, which generally is at 12 PM Pacific, 3 PM Eastern, and if you're still in the UK, that would be 8 PM. Of course, if you're in continental Europe, that's also 9 PM. But yeah, that's what we tend to do. So if you haven't subscribed and you've made it this far, it's down here, and you might even want to hit the notification bell, but just a couple of things to think about. So that was the cinematic on-foot look at these Nike Air Safari in the original, well, in the OG type colorway from, I want to say 1987, but this is obviously the 2018 release. Having these on my foot, what do I think? These are actually so much better than I thought. I was umming and ahhing about these shoes for so long before I bought them. You know, I'd been looking at them for weeks. The Atmos Air Max 1 collab came out the same day, and like most people, I missed it, but I picked these up. And SJ on Sneaker Cam, she wasn't sure. She really wasn't sure, and I wasn't certain myself, but I absolutely love these shoes. These are gonna be one of my go-to shoes this summer. They are so like nothing else that I would normally wear, but I really, really like them. I love the orange here. I love this safari print. The colorway is spot on. I think way back when they put this colorway together, they were so right. I think the other interesting thing, and something that SJ called out to us, Camera 1, when we were doing that on foot, was the swoosh kind of blends in with this leather paneling here as well, which I didn't really think about, but it's just so much more discreet. This is really probably one of the most discreet Nike Airs that you're actually going to find. Is really, really nice, and I would definitely recommend it to anybody. And the other thing I thought as well is, of all the sneakers that I tried on over the few weeks, this is probably the most true to size that I've got. I'm really, really surprised, really surprised. Anyway, as you can tell, I'm absolutely loving this shoe, but let's put that there. And I just want to say a massive, massive thank you to everyone who's subscribed so far. Without you, I'd be talking into the void. So it's great that I know you're all out there, and thanks for all the comments and everything recently, trying to get back to all of them. If you've made it this far in the video and you've not subscribed by now, and you like what we do, if you could subscribe, that would be awesome. And if you really want to stay on top of what we've got coming out, you might want to the old notification bell. But yeah, people, until next time, which would be on a Tuesday or a Thursday, or indeed streaming on Sundays, I'll just say bye. See ya.